Hi, my name is Sunil Tom. I am the CX and Managed Services and AOps leader in Mannai.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Shah. I'm the channel leader for Cisco in Qatar. Looking forward to having this wonderful conversation with my friend Sunil.
Cisco and Mannai together, we will be launching our CX advanced offerings along with AI offerings.
And the managed services.
And managed services umbrella.
So let's talk about why was Cisco looking at moving into CX or making this pivot or shift.
Hi, my name is Sunil Tom. I am the CX and Managed Services and AOps leader in Mannai. Mannai has been a partner with Cisco for more than 30 years. Today I have Ahmed Shah, who's the partner leader for Mannai with us. Ahmed, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Ahmed Shah. I'm the channel leader for Cisco in Qatar. Looking forward to having this wonderful conversation with my friend Sunil about all the fun, exciting things we've done in the past few years together. And obviously Mannai being our longest-standing partner in the country. Looking forward to being here.
Absolutely. It's been a great partnership for both Cisco and Mannai together. We brought in a lot of technologies and business models to this market, and that has tremendously helped all parties together, in fact. We've been a gold partner for the last 20 years with Cisco as an integrator, and we did managed services, a gold provider partnership with Cisco last year. That in turn actually helps us to take our business and Cisco's business, especially on the managed services, beyond the borders of Qatar, which is amazing achievement for us.
Yeah.
And
for Cisco jointly as well,
yeah.
in the region. Yeah.
Yes, that's fantastic. So once again, welcome to the podcast for all of you. Today we're going to talk about CX, which is one of the heavy focused motion across the world, and so is Cisco has been investing on that as well heavily, and we have brought in that into Qatar market together.
Yep.
Which is another amazing feat of achievement, in fact. So I would love to hear from you about how do you look at CX, and then what are your focus in this market and your perspective altogether?
No, of course. So customer experience, for those who are not familiar with the buzzwords that go around like CX, I think Cisco started on this journey about 5 years ago around customer experience, and Mannai have been alongside with us in this journey where we've been a CX certified partner for us here in the country and in the region. So let's talk about why was Cisco looking at moving into CX or making this pivot or shift. We've been trying to work with customers for the past 20, 30 years in giving them solutions to serve their networking and IT needs. And as network and IT has become bread and butter basics for every organization, we've seen the challenges that come along with it. So we've shifted and pivoted towards giving a business outcome solution to our customers. What does that mean? We want to help you enable run your business faster, better, more competitive. So when we understand what those business outcomes are, we've created solutions with our products that meet those business outcomes. And in order to ensure those business outcomes are met, the whole life cycle needs to be done from a product technology perspective, which is procuring the right solution, adopting the right solution, training the people, and making sure all of the journey along the way is complete to be able to meet those business outcomes. So as Cisco, we've taken a lot of shift and a lot of heavy lifting and investment into making sure the CX journey for our customers and then our partners is relevant to what they need to be able to meet in the industry today. You've been on this journey with us for 5 years, and you've constantly seen the evolving changes that have come along with it. So, in a nutshell, without customer experience, the ability for our customers to be able to execute on their business needs will be hindered. So here, as an advocate to support us and our customers on their journey, especially in the new digital journey that we're all looking into.
Absolutely. Phenomenal. Fantastic answer. I mean, I have to tell you that, when we looked at our transformation from a business perspective, we kept CX as our core value, right? Yeah. Everything around CX, everything makes it, if CX is there, everything around it makes, looks easier, in fact. Mannai has been very customer-friendly company for quite a long time.
Yeah.
That is definitely one of the values that we have advocated in this market as well. So it's fantastic that Cisco has taken the CX motion into its heart and then invested and transformed the organization itself up to an extent around it, which is great. Now, another one is the managed services motion that happens across Cisco around the world, right? Managed services has been, it was there since last how many ever years that you wanted to, it was always there, right from the time that we started our career, probably I would say. What is different now in managed services, the way that Cisco looking at it, and then the values that you bring into this market?
Yeah, I think one of the very first managed services are the NOCs that's sitting right here behind us, right? In a way, you could classify that as a managed services. It has been around in different terminologies, but in the essence and the core of it is for our customers, again, to benefit from a service to enable their business outcomes. So every organization, depending on their size, their skill sets, their requirements, have different flavors of consuming managed services. Whether it's just consuming a particular product, a particular service, a particular location, all of them come together from a managed services perspective. And you did that in the introduction, where Mannai is a gold provider, partner for Cisco, again, one of the very first in the region, and taking this flag with us on the managed services offerings to our customers. There's definitely a lot of benefit to our customers on managed services, financial, commercial, moving from a CapEx to OpEx model, but also taking out the complexity in their environment, reutilizing their resources that they have for IT to ensure they can work on those really important, critical projects that need to go to the next stage. And these are all known facts that we've seen in our managed services. What's changed or what's added on further now is having these managed services, especially with what you have built, is to encompass it with Cisco's products, third-party ecosystems, all the solutions put together, bring it to your customers for them to consume it in any flavor that they need. We talked about CX. So there is a journey, obviously, for our customers to go on CX along with us as vendors and you as partners, but you can elevate that and further strengthen that CX adoption journey with managed services. Because when you're providing a solution to those customers, it's already best of breed. It already has the adoption enabled with it. So when you provide it to your customers, they know exactly what they're consuming and they will meet those business outcomes. So now when you combine the power of CX with managed services, the customers are going to get the best of both worlds without any issues to, at the end, resolve and their business solutions and outcomes that they need.
Great question. That's fantastic. It's absolutely important that we talk about it and give awareness to our audience about it. Straight answer to that, it is no at this moment. But we are working on building a lot of AI capabilities within Mannai itself. So the way that it works is that we do have our own in-house hosted AI platform, which we use to connect with all our managed services tools and our professional services tools and CX APIs and ecosystem altogether. With that, we make our operations engineers' life easier. There is customer experience, specifically providing chatbot-related services, directly interacting with the customers, in fact, picking up the information from connecting it to the central AI engine. And that gives enough information for our analytics people who are sitting within our operations center to come up with the insight and then derive certain services towards the customer. Now, the question is, can it replace managed services in AI? No, it can't replace managed services or CX as such. It will evolve this whole ecosystem altogether. And we, Mannai, strongly believe that we are that company who can contribute towards breaking this adoption barrier towards the AI. And that is one of the core purposes that we have been built within, this whole theme of offerings for managed services and CX, in fact. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I mean, that definitely addresses one of the concerns out there. There is a place and time for AI, and it's constantly evolving. And there's always a human element that is always required, especially with customer experience. Just to touch on that one last time, trying to understand what the users need and to replicate that, and then those needs always evolve.
Right, absolutely.
And then to be able to flexibly change and offer their customers go a long way.
Yeah, absolutely. That's fantastic and well put as well. So that was the little segment that we had in our podcast today. Once again, I thank you for Ahmed Shah for joining us.
Thank you, Sunil. Pleasure.
Great pleasure to host you always.
Thank you.
Thank you. Excellent insights, and it has been a fantastic conversations with you as always.
Same here.
We have an event coming on 4th of December in Qatar, where Cisco and Mannai together. We will be launching our CX Advanced offerings along with AI offerings
And the managed services.
and managed services umbrella. We'll also be talking about some of the CX offerings, specifically about securities as well, especially on the governance and compliance part, which is a new set of offerings that we are introducing in this market.
So you're just giving a teaser. People want to learn more. Join us on December 4th.
December 4th, yes, that's one thing. And then we have the World Summit of AI coming in.
Correct.
Right? So
December 10th and 11th. We are participating in that event as well. It's a gathering of global leaders around world AI, investors, entrepreneurs, everyone who is connected to AI in the industry will be there. So please join us at the event on the December 10th and 11th.
Yeah, very well. Thanks.
Thank you again. Thank you
again.